What you just saw was a Rubens tube. Now, you're probably wondering why the flames were moving up and down. You see, this open speaker and sine wave generator create different frequencies that pass through this rubber membrane and create a standing wave inside the tube. Now, this standing wave has nodes and antinodes. These nodes and antinodes push the propane gas inside of the tube and shape it to the wave that's inside of it. Now, when the propane gas is being shaped to the wave, it pushes the flames that are moving up and mimics the sound wave within the tube. And that's why the flames move up and down with different frequencies. Thank you for watching Harmony Public Schools. See you later.